Long ago, when the gods first created this world, 3 species ruled the land. The humans, the darklings, and the dragons. These days, dragons are considered a type of monster, but they used to be smarter than humans, and most of them could even speak. These 3 species fought bloody battles for control of the ancient world. The gods lamented this conflict and decided someone should oversee their creation. The gods of dragons, darklings, and humans convened and came to an agreement to create a being with the strength of dragons, the magic power of darklings, and the heart of humans, an ultimate warrior. The Dragon Knight. If any force should ever hold ambitions to dominate the world, it is the Dragon Knight's duty to wipe them out and administer divine punishment. And I am the one true Dragon Knight, the one meant for this age. But while only one Dragon Knight is supposed to be born, there was an exception. And the other Dragon Knight is you. I want your power, Dai. Now, come and serve me. It's time. Time for you to embrace your duties and destroy what's left of humanity with me.
Serve you? Destroy humanity? You're joking!
I make no such joke. It's what the legendary Dragon Knights were born to do after all.
Never! I'm on the side of humanity no matter what you say! It was the Dark Army that took my Master Avon's life. I'd rather die.
Dino.
Don't call me that! My name is Dai! It's the name my grandpa gave to me! I fight the Dark Army! I'm the hero!
I see. Then I suppose I shall call you by your human name. So, Dai, I shall defeat you as a hero who fights for the humans. If you will not submit yourself to me, this will be your head. Too obvious!
Power of dragons that lies within me. Please, awaken! If I don't defeat him, he'll wipe out all of humanity!
Be gone! I'm impressed. You can control the power of dragons so well. For that spirit in turn, I shall show you just how terrifying it is when a true dragon knight controls the heavens. I'll cleave you in two! Don't you understand, child? I'll turn you to ash. Far stronger than you ever hoped to be. Giga Brain!
My final weapon! That's right. Now what is he up to? What's going on? The crest is acting on its own! My head! My head feels like it's splitting! Grandpa Brass? What are you doing here? And everyone home on Turnline Island. Why? Why am I seeing all of this? Ah! All of my memories, they're gone!
On Dermline Island,
Hut! Let's go!
today's lesson will be quite the tough one.
A dragon?
Dragons are the most powerful in all of the Monster Kingdom. Only a true hero could face such a creature and survive, let alone defeat it. Let's begin with a warm-up. Charge up, like so! Such an apt student. You have so much potential. Prepare for your next lesson.
Earth!